Rice noodles. This one is sugar puff. I think this one is Malaysian food.
Yeah, it looks like Thai Malay.
They put chives and whatever thing in there. Yeah. So guys, we are here in Sunnybank again. We are looking for food. We are exploring this place for lunch. This one is Japanese. Yeah, the other side there is Malaysia. Walkmaster, Taiwanese restaurant. Smile, babe. So guys, we are here at what's the name? Wok Taiwanese Wok. I don't know the name of the restaurant. Walkmaster. So we are at Walkmaster. So with MK here. And then we are having Taiwanese food. So ang first ni abot na order is kani. That one. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. It's yummy. So that's our food. Food trip na this. Let's try the green tea. Let's try the Taiwanese noodle. Okay. There's a takoyaki bowl. Kainit sa takoyaki. The takoyaki is very hot. Okay. Chicken popcorn. Chicken is good. No? The chicken is juicy and soft inside. Right? If you go to Taiwan, grabe, the street food super, so many days.
It's not too salty,
No.
but you can still taste it's like it's seasoned.
Yeah. You have salt and pepper. The noodles need salt and pepper.
Bye bye, Leon. Give you more noodles. I'll transfer my bowl to you.
I like this chicken. Come here. I like the little crispy chicken. Takoyaki balls. Tapos inside is a bit tough. Ang octopus is super cool. The green tastes nice.
Is it?
What's the taste of your codfish?
It's quite nice.
Okay. Try my green tea. It's a bit like Yakult. No? It's not too bad, eh?
I like it.
Yeah. I thought it looks, by the look of it, I thought it was awful. How do you find the Taiwanese food?
Oh, it's very nice to look at today.
Good?
Yeah.
Out of 10, how much is your rating? Out of 10?
It's pretty good.
10 is the highest.
Okay, then maybe let's give it 8.5. Huh?
Oh, super. Very nice. I think for me it's 8. Like Chinese ones, if you eat Chinese ones. I think the noodle was very filling. Do you want the kalipot rice? Kalipot rice.
Can you want Italian tiramisu?
Yeah. Canoncini and the other one, where's the cream puff then? Love it. I put the champion, Australian Dairy Awards champion. How do you find it? Good. We are at Milani, the Australian Dairy Gelato champion. Yummy?
It's different, huh?
Gelato is not, eh? Yeah? I think my ngipun will get sore. Yummy. Taste up. Oh? It's too puffy, eh? Is it nice? Nice or not?
It's okay. It's not.
Is it also an ice cream?
Huh?
Is it also an ice cream or just a cream?
Mascarpone cream.
Ah. Yeah. I'm so excited to try it. There you go. There's the bingsu. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hold it, babe.
Take some spoon.
Yeah. Bingsu.
带他们上车，让他们再变成。
Yummy?
Super sweet.
It's very sweet. Shape ice. That's not snow ice. Dami. Yum. Oh, I can taste coffee, yeah. Good. Yeah. Good. Yeah.
You find this one more delicious for Filipino hala hala.
Of course, the Filipino lah.
Oh.
You can't beat the Filipino halo-halo.
So what is that, frozen milk?
Maybe. No, it looks. It's not like a usual normal ice. Hi. It's like a flavored gora.
Well, I think it's like some type of frozen milk.
Huh.
See? It's not like
Ice cream good. She put a scoop of ice cream on top. Sorry. Even if we didn't go to Korea, we still try the bingsu in Korea. Huh? Korean bingsu.
Let's hang on.
No. Putri-putri. I really taste the honeycomb, no? It's like coffee flavored honeycomb. Yeah. Yeah, it's a powdered honeycomb. I think so. So what do you want now? You want pau?
Yeah, we'll see what is the option.
Yeah, there's all the pau there. Which pau would you like? So there's a pork pau. There's the red bean. Yeah, you don't want the red bean. There's the steamed barbecue pork. Oh, that's the one you like, the barbecue
We don't
pork.
have for barbecue.
Oh, you don't have?
Yeah, we only for cookbang, veg and for every little bit now.
Okay. So hot star. Okay. Let's go and try the fried chicken. That one. Original fried chicken. Sorry? Thank you. Okay, try it, babe. Right now, just snap a photo. Smile. Okay. That's in a video. Just click the camera. Okay. Okay, try and eat it. Smile. Video. So guys, we are here at Frisco. We are looking for drinks. Ah, that's a big popcorn. Grabe ha. I think this is where we got some eggs before. You remember we had some cheap eggs before here. Oh, they are fresh. Oh, it's already old. The bitter melon. Oh, there's all the fish. Fish. Oh, they have milkfish. Oh, look at this. Like abalone, babe. Look, the prawn looks very nice. This prawn. Okay, lang sa salmon. Yung order aquarium. Ah, pork tongue. Pork tongue, tendon, pork liver. Oh, they have pig's brain, babe. Pig's brain. Ah, they got all the duck tongue. Oh, really? Huh? Soft bone, really duck tongue, soft bone. Ito giblets. Oh, they got the manok skin.
Has 0.7% jasmine tea.
So which one has more?
This one has more jasmine,
Oh, okay.
and it actually has honey.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll take the one then. Take the one from the back. It's cold. We're taking some drinks, guys. How? We take this one?
Yeah, we'll walk around and come back.
Ah, okay. Let's go.
Take it. When it's
Take it
more
when
cold.
it's okay. Let's go. That's green tea. Hazelnut latte. Oh, this is the coffee bean and tea leaf. Product of Korea.
This one is
Oh, the siopaw. super the prata. How much is it? 400 grams for 449. Oh, 2 kgs. Ah, okay. So all the dumplings. Pork, Chinese cabbage dumpling. Oh, here's the ice cream bag. So guys, nahuman na mis among food trip. Are we done with our food trip? Not yet. So we're just having jasmine green tea, and Michael is having the chrysanthemum.
Jasmine.
Oh, it's also jasmine.
Yeah, but it's not green.
Yeah, it's a Chinese tea. The price was $1.48, and then we reached the counter, it's only $1.19. And then nakakita mig reduce nga Angus beef. Ah, bongga. Tawa. Ay. Angus beef jay. Pila na lang siya jay. $3. Angus beef. Asa man ka manang kung ana reduce na siya. So from $5.28 down to $3 na lang siya. And then original price per kilo is $20 per kilo. So mo siya nahog og 40% off. It's not bad for Angus beef day. Bongga day. Sa ubay-ubay sa among napalit mga pila ni kabuok unom kapak nga Angus beef. Lahams bikin ang Angus beef palito nimo sa restaurant day. Mukaon kag Angus beef sa restaurant day tag $39 to 40, I think 42 now. If you eat in the pub. No, $42 bayet. Lahams kaaya. Saon?
For the Angus? Maybe
For the
it's
Angus.
more.
Oh, it's yeah, maybe it's around 48.
The black Angus.
If it's black Angus, then black Angus bayet. Bongga kay tanan. So naka-jackpotters lang sa mi karon diri sa Fresco. Umuni Fresco. Yes, yesterday. So this is the opposite of the Market Square ganina that we had lunch in Market Square. So today we had Taiwanese food for lunch, and then we had the bingsu snow ice dessert it's a Korean ice dessert, and then we have the Milano gelato, award-winning one. That one is a fail. We didn't like it, even if it was no.
Well, the gelato was excellent. It really was super smooth. The best gelato I've had. I just couldn't enjoy the
puff,
the pastry.
the pastry that comes with it. The kuan.
But the gelato, I can see why he win the 2023 award, because it's super smooth.
So it's the gelato that won it, but not the kuan, the puff pastry that they used to sandwich it.
It's very ordinary.
Yeah. And then what else did we eat?
And then there was the traditional Italian
The
macaroni cream.
the cannelloni is like cannelloni or something like that. Canoncini, something like that.
Yeah.
Basta Italian dessert. Kato siya okay lang, pero dili lami ang ilang puff pastry. And then what else did we have?
And mascarpone cheese is always, it tastes like mascarpone cheese, so it's as expected, but just the pastry is ordinary there.
And then what else did we eat, Be? I think that's it, no?
Yeah, we didn't have so many.
You're sad, huh? We didn't eat so many, huh? Everyone, we still come back here in Sunnybank and food trip. There's so many things that I want to eat here, no? I also want to eat there, the sit meal.
I think maybe
nice.
the Taiwanese noodles made you too full, so you decided to continue to.
Yeah. The Taiwanese noodles. Next time we'll not eat noodles.
And next time.
But the Taiwanese food is good. Oh, we eat the chicken, the large chicken, the very big one.
Yeah.
The Taiwanese large chicken, that one we eat also.
That's right.
Lami to siya, kapong Taiwanese kuan. Wa na mo na hurot zay. Amo na lang gibalo, nari sa kumbag karon. So mo lang to siya ang ato ang food trip today, and then hopefully makakita na po mig good food. So every now and then we'll come to Sunnybank and enjoy different foods. It's like traveling to different countries, no? It's like traveling to different countries without having to take the flight.
Yeah, it's very fast, huh?
Yeah, it's very easy. You just take
Go
that
from Taiwan and then
So you
10 minutes
from
walk
Taiwan.
later, you're already in
Yeah.
Korea.
Yeah, Taiwan, Korea. So today we had Taiwan, Korea. Oh, we went to Europe, to Milan. And then we went to Taiwan again for the chicken. So lami ra amo ang laag jay. Kani nga green tea dili tamis. Mura siya tubig pero humot kay kuan man siya. Jasmine flavor. I always like jasmine tea. Mga green tea, jasmine tea. Kana, muna mga ganahan. So mao lang siguro nyo dire na sa siguro tamhuman kay mong drive pa mi pa uli. So till next food trip. Bye-bye.
Bye.